If you'd like to see how I go from dry, brittle, natural hair into moisturized, soft, defined curls, stay tuned. Today's video is in partnership with Argan Macadamia Hair Care by Kiss Colors and Care. The Argan Macadamia Hair Care line is formulated for dry, damaged, natural hair, which currently is the state I am in. I'm going to start off by cleansing my hair with the Kiss Colors and Care Argan Macadamia shampoo. As you can see, this shampoo is clear and it glides on super smooth. It has a lot of slip. I love that this collection is made with certified organic ingredients like argan oil from Morocco and macadamia oil from Kenya. Next, I'm going to condition my hair with the Kiss Colors and Care Argan Macadamia Conditioner. Argan and macadamia oils are very similar to the natural oils we produce in our scalp as well as our skin. I really love how moisturizing and fortifying this conditioner was. It was super smooth. I love the slip that it gave my hair, making it easy for me to finger detangle and then go in with my brush. To further condition my hair, I'm going to use the Kiss Colors and Care Argan Macadamia Mask. I really wanted to ensure that my hair was well moisturized, well conditioned. I love how thick this mask was. It really restored the softness in my hair and reduced frizz, leaving my hair very soft and silky. I can tell that it was repairing the dryness and damage of my hair. Once I rinse that out, I go in with the Kiss Colors and Care Argan Macadamia Leave-In Conditioner. And I love the fact that this collection is made without 7 harmful ingredients like sodium chloride, paraffin, paraben, mineral oil, sulfate, synthetic color. There's so many conditioning agents in this product, like the high concentration of natural oils. And then I begin to blow dry my hair. Once I'm finished blow drying, I'm going to begin flat twisting my hair, starting with the very back. I'm going to divide the back of my hair in 2 sections. I do 2 rows in the back because my hair is short, and I'm just going to do small and medium flat twists throughout my hair because I want definition, but I also want volume. So the various sizes will give me both. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm going to use the Kiss Colors and Care Argan Macadamia Serum to protect my hair from any frizz, and then just gently take down my flat twist. I'm trying not to interrupt the curl too much, but I do like volume, so some of those curls might get a little interrupted. Now it's time to slay those edges. I'm going to use the Kiss Colors and Care Argan Macadamia Edge Fixer. You guys, this has to be the best edge control I've ever tried in my life. Can you see my face? I am shook. My hair laid down so well. It wasn't heavy, it wasn't greasy. And here's the completed look. Alright y'all, these are the final results of my flat twist out. This is popping. I haven't had my hair this popping in a very long time. As you guys know, if you followed me, I suffered from some severe color damage. So if my hair seems a little bit shorter, I cut quite a bit of my hair off just so that I can just start anew. My hair feels so good. I really love what the products did for my hair. It made my hair soft. It has body and movement. It's not stiff. It feels really good. And can we get into this edge control? You guys saw my reaction. I've never used an edge control that controlled my edges. She is controlled. She is laid and slayed, okay? What? Literally, I loved every single product that I tried. Let me highlight a few of them. The shampoo, I love the fact that it was not drying to my hair. Girl, she was so, the slip and how smooth it was and moisturizing that shampoo was, loved it. The conditioner, same thing. I need slip for my hair. My hair is very kinky and coarse. I need that slip to detangle. I need that slip to moisturize, and I love the fact that those products did that. That mask, girl, I let that sit on my head for about an hour or two, and my hair was extremely soft like butter once I took that, or once I rinsed that mask off. The leave-in conditioner left my hair extremely soft, and I used that to twist out my hair, and my hair has definition. Hello, it's soft. I haven't seen my hair look this good, my natural hair look this good in so long, and I feel like I'm on the right track to healthy hair, so I'm excited about it. I love the fact that this oil was more of like a serum based oil and wasn't so oily, so it allowed, like, it was a little bit thick, and I love thick oils because those really watery runny ones, I feel like they just like run onto my face. This one was thicker, so I feel like it really and it wasn't heavy, so it didn't weigh down my hair. And this edge control right here, this needs an award. I've never heard anyone talk about this edge control, girl. Okay, she's a fixer. Okay, she is a life changer. Like, she's still laid. I didn't even use a tie to tie my hair down. Usually I have to tie it down for like a good 30 minutes for my hair to actually like lay down. I just use my finger, a brush, she's set. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to check the description box for all information in the products that I use in this video. Let me know down below how you guys are digging this natural look, and if you want any more natural hair videos from me, let me know if you guys are digging this natural hair, okay? Are you here for this flat twist out? Because I am. Let me know if you guys want to see more natural hair videos, more hair videos. Definitely can get that out for you guys. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't. Turn on your post notifications. Subscribe. Did I already say that? I did. Thank you guys. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.